Welcome back to the maths class, students. We were doing chapter perimeter and area, exercise 11.3. Today, in this session, we will discuss question number 3 onwards. So, let us read the question number 3. It says, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also, find the area of the sheet. So, children, here circumference is given and we need to calculate the radius and area. So we will be putting the value in the formula. So circumference of sheet is 154. We will write circumference formula is 2 pi r. Now putting the value. Circumference given as 154. 2 pi value is also given as 22 by 7 and into r. Now transpositing all the values, leaving the r alone here. 154 into 7 divide by 2 into 22 will give you the value of r, that is radius. Now on calculation we will get the value. So radius is 49 by 2 meters. Now we need to find the area and the formula for area we know is pi r square. Now putting the value of r in the formula, A equals to 22 by 7 into 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. Now we will calculate this and we will get the value to be so this way, children, when the circumference is given to us, we can calculate the radius, and from the radius we can find the area too. Now let us proceed with the fourth question. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he makes 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of the rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. So children, in this question, the fencing word is given. So whenever fencing, boundary, such things are given, we need to calculate the circumference. Or if the person is running around, walking around, then it will be always the circumference. And when paving of the stones or cropping or cultivating the field, circular field, such things are given, then we have to find the area of the given circular field. Now let us see. As in the question, diameter is 21 meters. So we will write diameter equals to 21 meter and radius we know that diameter divided by 2. So it will be 21 upon 2. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. Putting the value here. So it will be 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 21 upon 2. So cancellation. Now circumference is 66. Unit is here meter. Now length of the rope required as he is fencing twice. So it will be 2 times of 66. That is 132 meters. Now cost of 1 meter rope is given as rupees 4. So cost of 132 meter rope will be 4 into 132. That is rupees 528. So cost of fencing this garden, circular garden, is rupees 528. Now let us proceed with question number 5. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. So children, here you can see the figure that a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter is given, out of which a circular sheet of radius 3 centimeter is being removed. So this part is being removed. So what will be left out? This portion will be left out. This whole ring will be left out. So how we will calculate? We will calculate it as fine. We will find the area of bigger circle, that is the outer circle, and the area of inner circle, and we will subtract. So this way we will be getting the area of the remaining portion. So this we can do as, so area of outer circle will be pi capital R square, as I have shown this, the bigger circle. Now it is 22 by 7 into 4 square. Okay, now for the inner circle it will be pi R square, area value is 22 by 7 into, now R is here 3 square. Now I will be telling you how to do this question, that is remaining area. So remaining area is outer circle minus the smaller circle, that is the inner circle. So either you can calculate here only and subtract, or with this formula you can see pi both side common, taking it out, R square minus R, smaller r, putting the value 22 by 7. Now what is R square? That is 4 square minus 3 square. So this makes the calculation little simpler, as we don't have to multiply the pi value twice. So it is 16 minus 9. A little mistake is done here, as in the question it was asking you about take the pi value is 3.4. So as in the question it was told that pi value we have to take 3.14. So I am showing it to you again, that with this formula, instead of 22 by 7 putting the value 3.14, same way 16 minus 9. So we will do 3.14 into 7. Now we will get the value as 21.98 centimeter square. So 21.98 approximately becomes 22 centimeter square. So children, when the question is saying take the value of pi as 3.14, we need to calculate it by that same value what is given. So I have shown it to you on both the way, which way we can solve it. Now let us recap what we have studied or what we have learned in this question. Whenever remaining portion is being told to us to calculate, always find the areas, bigger circle and the smaller circle, and subtract it from the bigger circle. You will get the area of the remaining portion.